Hello guys, today from 6 kg of fresh tomato we will make 300 g of tomato paste using the sun. For the tomato paste we need 6 kg of tomatoes, 1 onion, 6 basil leaves. Some people instead of the onion use the garlic, some other add 1 fresh chili, so up to you. Plus you need a wooden board and this machine to squeeze the tomato that will remove the skin and the seed. Also is this machine is very small, but don't worry, I can use it. Now I will cut the tomatoes in small pieces, put in the pot. I will add the onion, the basil. When the tomatoes start boiling, we remove from the stove and we pass through this machine. We need to collect only the pulp to remove the seed and the skin, like already mentioned. I want to give you an advice: don't buy this machine because it's useless. It's very important that you, through the machine, put again the skin and the seeds, because will be the moment when you collect more pulp. Now I will put all my tomato sauce inside the pot again. I will close with the lid and I will wait until tomorrow morning at 7, when the sun will be already high and very hot. We can start to dry under the sun our tomato sauce. This is why my advice is do this in the afternoon, and in the morning you can start and you will have the sun all day long, because if you start to do this in the morning, before you finish will be already 10, 11, 12 and you lost half of the day. So see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. You need to put your wooden board with a little bit of inclination. In this way the extra water will drain inside a container that you will put it. If you can do this in an open field, even better, because the extra water can drop on the floor. At the beginning you need to use a big spoon and put the sauce on the table little by little, because if you put all together will drop with the water. We need to keep the sauce, the paste, the future paste, but not the water. So do gently. Now we should keep like this at least 1 hour, and after we can start to move it. In this way the extra water will go away. See you later. After 2 hours and 30 minutes we can remove our trail with the water. Remember to put another dish, because the liquid will still dropping. You will make a mess and your wife will kill you. After that we put again the trail. We can incline a little bit more our wooden board and move a little bit our tomato sauce. In this way more liquid, more water will go out. I don't know if you can notice, when you move like this, more liquid, more water is coming out. Now, after other 2 hours, you need to mix it very well. You can put also in one side of the table or the wood board. In this way the wood will dry, and after you move it again on the other part of the wood, because also the wood help our tomato to become dry. After 7 hours and 30 minutes we can add the salt. 25 grams of sea salt without iodium. Some people will say it's a lot of salt. Yes, because the salt will preserve your tomato paste, and also you will use it to give more taste to your dishes. So remember, when you use it, that is already salted. I show you also all the water that I collect today, the one that was dropping from the wood. Okay, let's go outside, put the salt and move the tomato on the other side of the wooden board. After 13 hours under the sun, our tomato paste is ready, and now will be dark, so tomorrow I will show you how you can preserve it. See you tomorrow. Preservation is the easier step. You take your tomato paste, you press very well. After you put in the jar, smash again and press very well because the air need to go out, and you add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on the top. Easy. Please don't be stingy with the extra virgin olive oil, because after the oil will take the flavor, the taste of the tomato, it will be spectacular too. I tried it already like this. Really, really, really spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have tried to make it, let us know down in the comment. If you have some advice, maybe your grandma, your relatives are from Italy, from Sicily, or at least from the south of Italy, let us know your recipe down in the comment. Bye bye!